It's Tools on Tuesday. Last time I showed you my favorite dovetailing saw. This time I'd like to show you my favorite jigsaw. I've gotten frustrated over the years of how some jigsaws bog down when you're cutting a tight radius or cutting through thick stock. When it came time for me to purchase my jigsaw, I purchased the Bosch 7-amp jigsaw. I find that it can cut a nice tight radius and also can cut through really thick stock. I've been able to cut through 12-quarter beech with this with no problem. So let me show you some of the features that sold me on the saw. First of all, it's variable speed, and the speed control is in the back. It's nice to speed up or slow down depending on the type of cut you're making. It also has a knob here where you can turn on or off the blower that blows the dust out of the way. I usually leave it on. You can also control the rake of the blade. I have it set here at 0, which I usually do for fine cuts, where the blade will only go up and down. But if I move it forward, it will start to sweep forward as it's making the cut, all the way up to a 3rd setting where it sweeps aggressively for cutting through thick stock. I also really like how they've simplified the installation of the blade. It uses the T-shank blades. All you need to do is move the sleever back, put the blade in, and let go, and that blade's in there nice and tight. All right, so I've got my saw set with the speed at high. I have it set at 0 rake, and it's going to clear the dust out of the way for me. I'm going to start with the relief cut when I cut my cyma curve, so as I go through the cut, the pieces drop as I exit. And now I'll cut my curve. So you can see my Bosch 7-amp jigsaw was able to cut these tight radii to make my cyma curve. And with the addition of longer blades, it can cut through thicker stock, and it has the power to do it. So that's my favorite jigsaw. Let me know your favorite jigsaw and why in the comments below.